Recording.
Hi. Good girl, Candy.
Are you sure she's gonna get pesky? Does she usually start out like this?
Yeah. I don't even have to hold her.
But in a minute you will.
Yep.
Get her head. Get her head.
No, I don't want to get her hair wet. I'm just going to kind of go like that. I want the water to get in her ears. Ah! No. Calm down. Let me get you really wet. Oh, Candy. Good girl, huh?
Hey now, Gabby, put the soap in. Is this... Gabby, can you move the cup? You can't see her. Is this the part where she gets fussy?
I don't think she likes us very much.
Can you move the bottle too?
Sorry.
Can you move the cup again? Good.
Good kitty. No. I told you. It's okay, Candy. It's nice and warm.
Oh my gosh. God. Oh my gosh, that was hilarious. You're the most. It's okay, Candy. It's okay.
Okay, sweetie.
She's like looking straight at the camera.
She is?
Yeah. Not anymore. Can you move the bottle?
Alright.
Can you move her? Thanks. Look at her arms.
Mickey Stinkies. I'm sorry. Why don't you like water? It's refreshing, and it makes you feel good and clean.
Can you move the bottle?
I'm sorry. Keep forgetting. Okay. I think I can put...
Can you move the bottle?
Again?